Does your video appear first on YouTube for the keywords you target? I rank many videos on YouTube first page in a short time. What you see is a previous video which ranked on the first page within just 12 minutes of uploading. Then there are other videos which are even few months old that still appear first on YouTube. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to make your video appear first on YouTube. To rank videos on the first page of YouTube, there are things you need to do before you create the video, while you create the video, and when you upload the video. And it doesn't stop there. Even after you publish the video, there are things you need to do. There are YouTube ranking factors that influence the YouTube algorithm in each of these stages. Starting with before you create a video. Keywords play an important role to rank videos on YouTube. You need to know how to research perfect keywords for your YouTube videos. I created a video last week going step by step on how to find good keywords. Watch that video in case you missed that. So what's a good search volume for keywords? One of the struggles people have when getting started is knowing if a keyword is good enough to create a video around. I would say 100 plus searches per month is a good starting point. At the same time, don't be afraid to go bigger, because when you learn to create videos the way I'll just show you in a minute, your chances of ranking increases greatly. The important thing is that you get started. Now this is where most people make the mistake. They stop once they find the keywords and expect that the video to rank on the first page of YouTube. If you watch this video till the end, you'll know more than 99% of the people out there on how to rank YouTube videos fast. Going to the next step, these are the things you need to do. While you create the video, YouTube is rewarding videos that are of high quality and keep people longer on YouTube itself. So their goal is to keep visitors on the site longer. So your job is to simply give them what they want. The amount of video that people watch on YouTube is known as audience retention. What is the audience retention rate of your previous video? Is it 20%, 30% or higher? You need to work on improving this rate. Depending on the type of videos you create, you can use, for example, things like screen transitions, various props, jump cuts, editing hacks to keep the viewer watching your video much longer. I will create a detailed video on this in the future, so subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. If your video keeps more engaging to people on YouTube, YouTube will rank your video automatically higher in the search result. When you upload the video, title. The title is one of the first things users see when your video appears on a page, shows up in search, or is shared on social media. Make it count. Use keywords to focus on user intent and how those keywords match up with what the video content actually offers the user. Description. Keep the first few lines intriguing and accurate while paying attention to relevant keywords. YouTube encourages longer, robust descriptions, so everything past the first few lines will be invisible to viewers unless they click show more. Your description should entice a user to watch the video because the information given leads the person to believe that the video was something they were looking for. Thumbnail. Create a thumbnail that users are going to be interested in and could possibly generate a lots of clicks. Don't do anything tricky in an attempt to deceive users. This again will lead to low retention rate. Tags. Tags are fairly unique to YouTube and are helpful for classifying content. Only use keywords that are actually relevant to your video. Don't add irrelevant tags in the hopes you get more visibility. Use cards, watermarks and end screens to direct viewers to next videos. These are like clickable links that appear in your video. Use them to point view to your YouTube channel and your next video. Transcribe your content. This is oftentimes overlooked because it's a tedious and laborious task, but it helps YouTube and search engines better understand the video and its content better than any other way. After you publish the video, promotion. After all, you can't solely rely on search engines to do this for you. Video promotion is similar to any other content promotion, which means you want to promote it everywhere. In previous videos, I've covered several sites. You can add your YouTube video to get more visibility. The links are in the description. And don't forget to syndicate for your other social channels. Again, there are specific strategies on how you could share them, which I've covered before. So look at those videos to get more engagement and views. If you follow these actionable steps, you will be able to start ranking your videos higher on YouTube.